Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce the built-in simulator function of R12F receiver. R12F comes with built-in PC Game Joystick communication program, so you can play simulator just by connecting the Type-C port of R12F to the computer. R12F supports open-source simulators such as TRYP FPV, AeroFly, Uncrashed, liftoff, FPV LOGIC, Velocidrone, and so on. Both Windows and Mac computer can be used. And here are the steps to use the built-in simulator function of R12F. First, please update the firmware of R12F to version 1.6 or above. You can download the latest firmware of R12F on RadioLink official site. Here it is. Receiver R12F. Firmware. Here you can download the latest firmware and check the tutorial on how to update the firmware here. I have already updated to the latest firmware version. Second, bind R12F to the compatible transmitter. R12F is compatible with lots of RadioLink transmitters, and I take TAS transmitter as an example. Here is a Type-C cable, and I connected one end to the Type-C port of R12F and plug the other end to the computer. Then the receiver is powered on, and you don't need to connect the battery to supply power to it anymore. Power on TAS. I have already bound this R12F to this TAS transmitter, and I will show you how to bind them. Long press the binding button on the side of R12F. Here it is. The LED flashes fast, means it is under binding mode. The LED goes solid, means the binding is complete. Third, connect R12F to the computer and play simulator on the computer. And I have already used a Type-C cable to connect R12F to the computer. And the using methods are similar for all simulator software. We use Uncrashed simulator as an example. It has already been installed on my computer. Open it. You can download the simulator software online. Click Options and move the stick. There is movement of the bars. Here is also on lone RF, which means the receiver is recognized. And the stick mode of TAS is mode 2, so I need to select mode 2 here. Then we need to calibrate the transmitter. Click Auto here to calibrate the stick, and follow the instructions to move the joystick. Throttle, Auto. Move the throttle. Roll. Pitch. You can see the movement pitch is opposite to the bar movement here, so we need to click Invert here. Then they match. Yaw. And then click Stick Calibration. Move all sticks to the limits. And center all sticks. And press OK. So we can see the movement of all the sticks are correct. And by the way, here is reset. I can assign a switch to restore the drone to the original flight condition when there is a crash. And click Auto. Then I press the switch channel 7 here. That means I can use this switch to reset the drone when there is a crash. And for the flight modes, click Auto and press the switch here. And that means I can use the switch here to switch the flight modes. And here are all the settings. You can also set graphics, gameplay audio, rates, and drone settings according to your needs. single player. You can choose the scene you like. For example, I choose the Arctic Island. Wait for the loading. Push the throttle down. Push throttle up to fly the drone. And you can press the switch here on the right to switch the flight modes: acro, 3D, and angle. And when there is a crash, you can also press the switch here to reset the drone. So that's all about the built-in simulated function of R12F receiver.